she is live at Monkey Zoo, and it is totally Turtle Day, not Monkey Day. Is your turtle going to be a land turtle or a sea turtle?
A land turtle.
Ooh, a land turtle. When I was little, I had I had 2 pet turtles, and when you bought turtles back then, they let you take them home in like cartons that Chinese food comes in. And then they said what you feed them is raw hamburger. That's what you feed a pet turtle, if it's the kind I got.
My best friend had a tortoise.
A tortoise. They eat kale, right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have some sparkles?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, close eyes. Those green sparkles really come out. Okay, don't open. I like to put blue too. Some little swooshes to make it look kind of fancy. Okay, good.
I mean 71.
71. The turtle is fast. Presenting the turtle.